Hi guys, welcome back to Detailing and the Beast. Today we're going to be looking at some of the AliExpress goodies that you can buy. There are literally thousands of things on there, but I basically went on about 3 weeks ago now, created a basket full of bits and pieces. It comes to probably about 30 quid for all of this you can see here. We'll go through it in a minute, but there is quite a lot of it. Some of it's rubbish, some of it is superb. So we'll go into that in a second. Before we start, don't forget to see my last video where we've got a competition running for Easy Car Care's glaze. That comes with a couple of microfibers, microfiber applicator and an auto finesse air freshener. So what have we got? So I went on there and I've spent, well, probably about 35 quid in total. We've got numerous towels, wash mitts, brushes, applicators, brushes and holders. I've got a vacuum attachment. Yeah, a lot of stuff really. So we'll go through and we'll start looking at it. Only a couple of seconds on each item, just to show you how good or how bad things are. So we'll kick off with a bad one. So we've got this wheel brush. It was about £1.40, and to be honest, it is £1.40's worth of wheel brush. It is dog crap, okay? Absolute rubbish. And I've got the full set of Easy wheel brushes, so I didn't need this. I just thought I'd give it a go, see what it is for £1.40. It's in the bin. That's what it is for £1.40. So then we go on to, where do we go next? We'll go here. So I've got a couple of applicators, wax applicators. Now this one is just like an oval applicator. It's got quite a hard sponge backing on there, foam backing, and then a sponge top for applying waxes and sealants and that sort of thing. I haven't tried it out yet, but it doesn't feel the best foam in the world, but I will try that. The next one, now I know there are a couple of companies who are pushing these out as their own. They're not, guys, they are AliExpress, and they're literally just embossing the tops. These are designed for tyres and tyre applications, so tyre gloss. They were like £2. I think the guys online, the big retailers, are trying to push these out for like £7 or £8. Don't be fooled. But that is good. I have used that. A decent applicator. Next we'll go on to the mitts. I have two mitts. The first one is this microfiber double-sided mitt with a thumb in there. I use wash pads myself, but I bought that mainly for like trying to look at wheels or lower areas of the car, so like sills maybe I'll use this for going underneath the sills with the thumb and the grip. So that might be quite good. It's a really nice feel microfiber. The next one I've got is this wash mitt. Now again, I think there's a few online retailers pushing these. This was like £3, I think. It doesn't look the best, to be honest. It looks a little bit cheap, but I'm pretty sure if you look inside, I'm pretty sure this is the exact same thing that most of them are pushing. So it's got like a netting in there, a nice band around there, elasticated band, but it does feel very soft. It's not very tight on the hand, so you know that's something for me. That could do with being a bit tighter. But yeah, I'll give that a go. Maybe again, one of these will survive in the mucky mitt, if you like, but the other one will be in the bin. Where do we go now? Brushes. These were mega cheap. These were like £1.20 each. Really fine detailing brushes, as soft as I've got, to be honest. And I've bought some expensive brushes, and these are softer than anything else I've had. Now, I know other YouTubers have been doing videos on this sort of thing, like knockoffs and stuff. Personally, I don't have a problem with it. I do see where they're coming from, but for me, if I'm only going to be spending like £1 something on that brush and it gets knackered within 2, 3, 4 weeks, then that's all I want to pay. So yeah, I bought 2 of them, maybe £3 for the boat. This one, some sort of weird gizmo. It's supposed to be an accessory belt, so you're supposed to put this on, and then you can load up your bottles in your little pockets. Now, what I found was the bottles, the holders, they're too big for a 500ml. Things seem to just, when you're leaning around, things flop out. If you put a 1 litre bottle in there, the holder doesn't fit. It's too small for a 1 litre bottle. There are a nice heavy quality zip on there, and a pocket for keeping things in. I don't know what you'd keep in there. It's not big enough for brushes. So you know what? Great idea. Not well executed. Bin. So now we move on to the cloths and towels. Again, I think people are knocking these out online. This is a plush microfiber towel. This was only about a £5, if that, delivered from China. Really soft. Not as soft as another one I've got here, but really soft. A decent drying towel. I may have some footage on this drying a beading bonnet. I may. If I have, I'll pop that up now. If I haven't, I apologise. But a nice big plush towel absorbs loads of water, and for a £5, that is staying. In fact, I'll probably get more of them. Now these I've had for a little while. Dual purpose towels. So nice deep pile on one side, microfiber on the other. Great for all sorts of stuff. I bought 10 of these. I bought the first one, had it delivered, and was that impressed I bought 10 more. I have given a couple away to a couple of friends. The feedback from them has been really good. It's not like I'm going to start knocking them out or anything, you know. But yeah, them are great multi-purpose towels. Can be used for loads and loads of jobs. So they are staying big time. Now this one, this was classed as like an edgeless, you know, like the edgeless towels that everybody's raving about now. So this is mega soft. This is, you know, this is as good as anything I've seen. So look, yeah, proper soft towel. And them are great. Them finishing, buffing, great towels. And finally, now I know I did a video on the Titan vacuum. Now I'll put a link up for that one if you want to go and watch that for the best accessories. This was something I ordered for that video, but it didn't turn up in time. Now I know I probably should have waited, but so this one it's a vacuum attachment. It's got, if I can get it out, so it can go on many types, many sizes of vacuum hose. And then it's got loads of little straws. Now this creates some power when that goes through there and the suction starts. That is really good. Now you use this for things like cleaning in vents inside, or maybe in them hard to reach areas down the seat crevices. But the power that this creates is something else. I mean, obviously it'll only pick up dust and particles through them. You're not getting any sort of, you're not getting your Mackey's wrappers stuck in that, are you? Right, okay, so that one, great bit of kit. And that's definitely staying. And then I got sent a freebie. It came when I bought the rest of these towels. So I bought 10 of them. And they kindly sent me a freebie. Now, knowing that I buy detailing products, what do you think they sent me? Yeah, a bloody octopus mask. Who the frig is going to walk round in that? If anybody wants it, give me a shout, it's yours for free. But you've got to wear it. Otherwise, bin.